Hello, other side of the world. I hope you are doing well. You might be observing whenever you are writing anything in the search bar, automatically you find this kind of text that I've just mentioned over here that is automatically been written in the search bar. So today in this video, I have planned to decode this whole component and explain you what does this each part of that particular website or URL do say. Okay, now coming to the first one, that is, as you may observe, https studio YouTube. It is nothing but this was my URL of my YouTube studio. So this first part indicates, this first part says this is nothing but https. It is nothing but a protocol which states that hypertext transfer protocol and secure. That means whenever you will be whenever you will be visiting this particular website, it is nothing but it is secure, and the protocol says that it is secure. So it is nothing but my URL of my particular website. Now coming to channel and the slash, this all. So here I have decoded this channel. Channel means it here it says that your particular channel, whichever you are, now it indicates that what you are coming to. So here it means we are looking for a specific channel. Whenever you will be observing this, that means we are looking for a specific channel. We are looking for a specific channel. For a specific channel here. Now coming to this particular code that you observe over here, the meaning of this is that we do know this, right? That every channel has its unique ID. So this is nothing but this is the unique ID of my YouTube channel. So this is these all things whatever are arranged are nothing but my address. You can say it is address to my YouTube studio. It is nothing but my address to my YouTube studio. Now here you may observe here videos is written slash short is written. Yet that means it optimizes that I want to search videos that is only of short type. Okay, so we have already covered this all part. Now coming to this particular part, that is question mark filter is equal to this all some coding lines, right? Now whenever we will be having question mark, it signifies that we will be writing some kind of query, and here we will be writing string query. This is nothing but my string query. Whenever we are writing string query, we represent in this particular way. Now, as you can observe here, we do have filter is equal to this all this all specific code. This is nothing but it is encoded actually. For understanding of the computer, it is encoded. But if you will be decoding this, you will be getting this particular rectangular parenthesis, rectangular bracket. It signifies that whenever you will be displaying any kind of shots, do not filter it out. Here it says that you need not to filter anything. So here it says apply no filter. If you are displaying any kind of videos out of from the shots, you shouldn't apply no filter at all. Okay, filter at all. This is the one that it is signifying. Now we have already covered this particular part. Now I have brought the other part, that is and short is equal to this all some coding lines, then column type, then this all. Now I will be explaining this part. This part is very interesting. Was this very properly? Whenever I am writing and, that means here I am saying that I want to add another instruction where this two need to be followed. As if you are writing coding, you must be knowing the importance of the and. Whenever we are writing and, that means it will be following both the instruction. First is it will be not applying any filter to my URL, whichever it is representing at and means I will be adding some of my instruction. Okay, short means, as you are observing here, I have written short, and where is the short? It is the short, and other things have been mentioned over here. Here short means, here it says that whenever my videos will be displayed, it need to be shorted in some other form. Shorted means either it will be ascending to descending, or vice versa. But here we need to see in which way it is shorted. Descending order. It need to be shorted in some other form. Now as you have come over to this particular part, here you may observe after my short, this particular code is written, then column type is written. What this column type is actually mean, let me show you. After this column type, you may observe this kind of encoded form, and the date is written in some of the encoded form, and a short order is written in some of the encoded form, and these all things are written. I will be simplifying you this particular thing by which you will be able to understand what all things have been written over here. If you will be simplifying these things, you will be getting something like this. the mean of this is, here it is actually saying the column type. Here it is actually saying the column type. And it is saying that you need to show date. You need to show, your order should be dependent upon the date, and that date order, whatever you are showing over there, that is short order, is equal to descending order. Because let me show you why am I writing descending order. Because if you will be observing this particular part, can you see this is descending, and can you see here we have date is written, and here short order is written. That means whenever you are showing any kind of short videos of the YouTube, that should be dependent upon the date, and that date should be shown. The date whichever it is depending on is in should be those videos need to be shown in a sorted order, that is in descending order form. Okay, now we have already come to the end part of this particular thing. Now you might be, whenever you're observing this kind of URL, you must be thinking that yes, now you must be observing and you must be understanding what's the mean of this particular automated line whichever are been given over there. You need not to be worried for this. This is, if you will be simplifying this is nothing but a URL. Okay, and it is written in one of the code that is said to be a JSON code. JSON. Once you will be understanding this, automatically you will be also able to decode how this URL or the website or whatever things have been formed in the search bar, and you will be able to explain like me. So if you this particular JSON code stands for JavaScript Object Notion. If you have some of the idea to this particular code, easily whenever you are observing any of the URL, you will be able to decode this in the similar way as I have decoded. If you have learned something valuable, make sure that you like to this particular video, subscribe to this particular channel, and press the bell icon for such insightful content. Thank you so much.